Why did you touch me?
Stop looking at me!
I'm not looking at you!
You spit on my leg!
Why? Why do you do that? I'm not cooking!
I want to eat it!
Why did you do that, Maddie? Why? Why did you do that to me, Maddie?
Why, Lucien?
Why?
Why?
Maddie, why you do that to me?
What's wrong with your
again.
finger?
I don't know! Why? Stop! Daddy!
Oh my god. Lucien!
Maddie, don't do that!
Stop!
Why do you hate me? Stop, Maggie!
Why do you touch me like that?
Why do you touch me at all? Stop! It's my toes!
Your toes are ugly.
No, you're a monster!